Hi, I'm EJ, the head of growth over here at beehiiv, and today I want to talk to you about email gating and pop-ups. Picture this. A reader is halfway through reading a post on your website, and up comes a pop-up reminding them to subscribe. Alternatively, they click on an article, and before they're able to read the content, you collect their email address and unlock that article. Here's how you can get it set up. If you go to Settings, down to the Websites tab, and then over to the Advanced tab, you can scroll down to where it says Advanced Email Capture. Now, the gated capture is going to ask the reader to fill in their email to read the rest of the content, while a pop-up will interrupt their reading experience halfway down the page. Now, don't worry, these aren't going to annoy your users. They pop up once every 7 days, and once it's popped up, it won't show again if they decline to fill out the form. Once you've chosen the type of email capture you'd like, just enter the title, enter a message, and add a call to action, and that's it. You'll be converting new readers into subscribers in no time.